guys, my name is Maim and today I am going to show you how you can make your computer faster in just 5 ways. So, to get started, press your Windows icon on your computer taskbar. After you press your Windows icon, go to settings. It will take me time because I have a hard drive. So, now we can just go to the search bar and type in background apps. After you type in background apps, go to background apps. After you have go to background apps, turn everything off, turn every single app off. And now you may ask, why do I have to turn these apps off? What does they do? They basically slows down your PC and gives you bad performance while they run in your PC's background. So turn them off. This could actually uh, gives you more. This can actually get you more FPS in games. So you can turn them off. Now get out of this tab. After you get out of the tab, press Ctrl Shift and Escape. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape. After you press Ctrl Shift and Escape, you will see the task manager will show up. In the task manager, go to startup, and in startups, turn every single app off that you don't need. These apps actually run when your PC starts. So turning them off will get you more boot up time. So after you have done the first way how you can make your PC faster, now press winner on your computer keyboard. Now type in CMD. At the same time, press Ctrl Shift and enter. So now it will take me a lot of time to load in because currently I have a hard drive installed. So when it load in, when the CMD load in as administrator, now now type this in. I actually will have this in my description. Type this in or copy and paste it from my video's description. What this will do is actually it will grant you to use performance mode. If you don't know what is performance mode, it's basically a mode that we can check from your power options. So in order to do that in order to do that press left click on your computer's mouse, go to power options, or you can just go to CMD and type in control. Now go to additional power settings. Now you can see there is a mode called ultimate performance. Go if you have balanced on, quickly switch into ultimate performance. Well, what this will do is it will make your PC more responsive and faster, and it will give you more FPS or perform better in game. So after that you need to restart your computer to apply the changes. So after that, go to win go to your keyboard and press win R. After you press win R, type in msconfig. After you type in msconfig, press OK. Then the system configuration tab will show up. In the system configuration tab, go to services and follow me closely. Now hide all Microsoft services, check that box. Now press OK. No, sorry, check that box and don't press OK. Now uncheck all the services that you don't need, but like you don't have the app but you still have the services running on your computer, turn them off. After you turn them off, there is an important note you need to know. If you don't and check that box called hide all Microsoft services, it could potentially get you in trouble, because if you turn off any microservice that is running on a PC or important, it could actually damage or damage not damage actually, it can break your PC or computer or laptop. So what this could do, if turning off the services you don't need, it could actually increase your boot up computer or laptop boot up time and get you more FPS in games. Yes, this could actually get you more FPS in games. And how, you may ask? It reduce CPU and disk usage. So after this, press apply, then OK. Then now you need to restart your computer to apply all the changes you just made. So after that, go ahead on your computer keyboard, press winr, then there type in temp. Then after type in temp, press OK. Now delete everything that is here. And you may ask, why need to delete? We are just basically freeing up space in your drive C, which is basically your RAM. So what this will do is it will free up space in your drive C. And what do you to delete? What is in here? Do you remember what you accept cookies and stuff? Yes, those cookies and stuff just go here and save here. So delete them. After you delete them, close the tab. Now press win R once again. Now this time type in percentage app data percentage, then press OK. Now again, once again, delete everything in here. What are these? Is those apps you don't use or you don't need anymore, or the apps you have deleted but the data is still left behind. So in my case, I will left alone the Microsoft and the Nvidia data and delete everything else. So you can see how much space these data's left behind. You can see it's just almost 5 gigabytes. So after deleting that, I have freed up 5 gigabytes from my type C. Now again, delete everything else but left out the Nvidia and the Microsoft. So now you can close the tab. After you close the tab, you are going to go to the search bar on your taskbar. Now type in disk cleanup. Go ahead, press open or run as administrator. Now select your drive C, press OK. After you press OK, it will calculate how much junk you have in your drive C. Now uh, if you can check or uncheck the things that you don't want to clean or get rid of. So in my case, you can see I have a ton of junk in my recycle bin. So I check that and uncheck or check everything else that I need or uncheck that I actually need. So I now press OK. This process will take you some time or a while. It could, because there is a lot of junk. You might have a lot of junk if you regularly don't clean up your PC from your file explorer and stuff. But this could actually improve your performance. How, you may ask? This is basically, you are just basically freeing up your space from your computer. So this could give you more time, like get reading, or you can get rid of stutterings by doing this, or You can get rid of lags or hangs and stuff. So you can, after doing this, you might not face those problem anymore. So at last, go to your Windows, press your Windows icon. Now go to settings once again. After go to settings, go to gaming. From gaming, turn off game bar. From game bar, turn off game bar. From game bar, go to game mode. Turn on game mode. What turning off gamer does is gamer uses unnecessary resources that doesn't needs to be used or that doesn't needs to be implied on. So turning off a game bar could potentially increase your FPS in games, and game mode basically makes your computer more responsive and lag and hangs free. So this is it. Bye.